As the sun dips beneath a vast horizon, cast in hues of gold and crimson across the endless steppes, Mongolia remains a land of mysterious beauty and ancient tradition. From the nomadic herders navigating the sprawling landscapes to the bustling streets of Ulaanbaatar, this country encapsulates a delicate balance between modernity and a rich heritage forged over centuries. Mongolia oscillates between frigid, deadly winters and mild, flourishing summers. It stands as a testament to resilience, where the echoes of Genghis Khan's empire and the wanderlust of Marco Polo still linger in the howling winds. Mongolia is one of the world's last surviving nomadic cultures. This same spirit thrives, embodied by families sheltered within portable gurs, while the timeless rituals of tending livestock sustain both life and culture. Here, horses outnumber humans, and distinct two-humped camels endure the harshest of climates. The traditional flavors of fermented mare's milk, succulent meats, and robust dairy products form the cornerstone of a cuisine steeped in history and reverence for nature and community. Ulaanbaatar, the vibrant heart of Mongolia, pulses with the energy of a population, embracing the opportunities of a changing world, yet rooted in traditions that define their identity. In a land once closed off to the outside world, the fall of communism in the 1990s has opened new doors of discovery. The last 30 years have seen inroads to the gospel within the land of the eternal blue sky, as Christian missionaries have been let in for the first time in centuries. The 2% of the population who follow Jesus are scattered across its 21 provinces, yet now they are united in a zeal to share the hope that lives within them. With each passing year, Mongolia, once shrouded in mystery, opens its gates to the global stage, welcoming others to explore its storied past and promising future under the unchanging gaze of the boundless sky. The opportunity for gospel advancement is now. On the front lines of this wisher are strategically positioned leaders with a drive to collaborate and serve their own people.